Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy himself, the God Gamer Harriet, and today we are going to take a look at Climax and how I react. And of course, meron ditong bold review kasi sa dulo apparently ginaya nila si Lena the Vlog. Okay, kung hindi nakakilala kay Lena the Vlog, she is a podcaster sa Cornhub where after every each podcast nakikipagtalik siya sa guest niya. So, ang nag-host kasi ng Climax, si Rob Ginto sa si Apple D. As ang ginawa nila after hosting Climax, nagtalik sila girl on girl. Okay, what is Climax? Well, apparently Climax is their year-ender recap special. And parang binibigyan na yung best of Viva Max. Technically, hindi naman ito parang award show. Una kong inisip is it's like their top 5. But after looking at what was on their list, yung each category has one unique movie. So, walang nauulit na pelikula dito. Syempre, may mauulit na artista, pero walang mauulit na pelikula. Ayun. So, I'm going to give like my breakdown or my yung parang thoughts ko sa mga pinili nila. And let's start off with 5 hottest first time experiences. So, 5 hottest first time experiences. In this category is more of yung virgin breaking. Okay? So, 5 virgin breaking moments. So, parang pinoportray ng character na nasa pelikula is that they are a virgin and first time silang matalik, mawala yung pagkabirhin nila. Okay? So, let's just go over what they chose as their 5 hottest virgin breaking scenes. So, first up is Doncelia, which is a very odd placement. I mean, a very odd choice kasi una sa lahat ginahasa si yung karakter ni Jessa Garcia dito. Ito yung cementerio scene. So si Anthony Davao, siya yung magdodonselya kay Jessa Garcia dito. Kasi ang plot kasi ng Doncelia, gusto nung Arnold Reyes, yung doktor, na magkaroon ng kapalit sa kanyang asawa at ang gusto niya, maarte siya, gusto niya Doncelia, which is birhen. So, yun, pinalam niya to sa para nanliligaw sa kanya, si Anthony Davao. At ginahasa ni Anthony itong si Jessa sa may sementeryo. Sa lahat ng pwedeng lugar sa may sementeryo pa. Yun. So, pretty odd. Kasi most of these, two of these movies are molestation scenes. So, yun. Maharot is the second entry. It's Victor Reloso trying Aiko Garcia for the first time. If we recall, Maharot is the story ng karakter ni Victor Relosa na medyo inosente, bata, at nakilala niya si Aiko Garcia, yung kanyang kapitbahay, na medyo slutty. Pero, yun, ang virgin dito si Victor and he tried Aiko, which is a very, yung Maharot, sa title, medyo fierce, or ano ba yung term, medyo may double meaning, pero maganda naman yung kwento nito. Okay? So, next is Undergrad. So, di ko matandaan ang eksenang ito. So, it's Rica Gonzalez breaking her virginity to Van Allen Ong. Alam ko kasi sa Undergrads, meron ditong same case na yung principal ginagahasa yung estudyante, pero pinili nila yung kay Rica. Okay? At saka kay Van Allen Ong. And next one is Tahong kay Candy Veloso. Ito yung ginahasa siya ni Emil Sandoval, yung barangay captain. At every time pala na magbibigay siya ng pelikula, nire-recap yung pinapakita yung eksena. So yun yung nagpapatagal yung eksena. Okay? So dito sa pinakita ulit yung pagtatalik ni Candy Veloso sa ni Emil Sandoval. Wala yung scene ni Salome Salvi inedit out, which is her sinusolo yung sarili niya habang tinitingnan nagtatalik si Candy sa si Emil. And then Ungol is the last one, which I'm amazed na birhen pala si Stephanie Ras doon. So good on them. Okay, it's a pretty decent list naman. Nothing to say. Kung ito yung best ng Viva Max, sige. I just wish na ayoko yung mga gahasa. Like, yun bang parang kwento nyo pag may birhen dito sa BMX? Yung gagasain, di ba? Okay. Now, sinabi ko yung pagsusolo, we got hottest solo scenes. So, solo meaning you're playing with yourselves. I love you solo, di ba? Ayan. So, this is your touching yourself. You're touching yourself tonight, yeah. The first one is Kapalit. So, it's Cesc Garcia behind the cupboard. Kapalit is like yung role ni Cesc Garcia doon, yung siya ay isang nurse. Okay? And dito, pinagnanasaan niya yung employer niya. And she is playing with herself behind the cupboard. Okay? Meron siyang dito ganyang inaalagaan si Rica Gonzalez Himas is the next one sa Harbor Knowledge. It's in the shower. Himas is one of the movies up for grabs sa Best Picture. Okay, BMX Viva Maximum Awards will be I'm going to try it on my PC basta pag dumating na yung USB port ko. So, stay tuned sa result. I said na after this review, lalagay ko na yung awards ko. Pero nakita ko kasi yung format nito kakaiba Kaya mas mabuti pa ibahagi ko na yung aking thoughts. Okay? Himas yun. It's a typical shower scene. Babasahin mo yung ari mo, di ba? Okay. Private tutor, Christy Imperial sa kwarto niya. I know Christy is the student. At alam ko tinuturuan siya ni Zara. Siya yung teacher. I think this is one of the scenes na pinapractice ni Christy yung tinuro sa kanya ni Zara. Or kasi alam ko si Christy Imperial, character niya dito rin nagbabasa ng ng manga na adult. So maybe she's fornicating on that. And Butas, okay, Butas is out of placement here kasi parang we got 2 shower scenes in this list. I much prefer Butas to be on the next list that we're going to discuss. But sure, Angela Morena is sa Butas, yung may naninilip sa kanya sa taas, tapos siya nagsosolo dun sa shower. Init, Jessa Garcia. Again, I wouldn't put Init on a... If we're going to do unique movies, I wouldn't put Init. Mas okay siya sa girl on girl or the group scenes category. Pero since it's Jessa Garcia, pinagnanasaan niya 3 lalaki dun sa dormitoryo. Sige ba? Okay? Yeah, that's their 5 hottest solo scenes of 2024. Okay, 5 silip scenes. Ito yung mga naninilip. Okay. So, we got technically a pelikula na pangalan Silip. So, unahin na natin yun. Wala man tong particular order naman. Silip, nanilip si Carla Aquino kay Rica Gonzalez sa room ni Rica. Ito yung may katalik ata si Rica dito na customer niya. Si Carla Aquino yung may-ari ng Parisan, nung nagtitinda ng Parisan. May gusto sa kanya babae si Lea Bernabe, pero hindi daw sapat yun Gusto niya sa Rica at natatnan niya nagtatalik si Rica dun sa sinasaktan pa siya. Ayan, yun. Top 1 library scene. Okay, Marian Saint sa kanyang lalaki. It's short, but I wouldn't give it like one of the best. Ang kapitbahay, nanilip si Clifford kay Bermas, pretty basic. Ayun, si Bermas kasi nakikipagtalik kay Chester Grecia dito. Sumilip itong si Clifford. As kinaibigan natin ni Clifford, si Bermas. Si Bermas masama pala. I think yun yung plot nun. The League is actually hot kasi ibang klase paninilip to. Hindi siya yung butas, hindi siya yung sneaky. It's in a sort of stealthy way. Hindi siya stealthy kasi nanilip itong si Rica sa bintana habang nagtatalik si Jessa Garcia and si Chad 85 or si Chad Solano. 8 yung pangalan niya dito Mariang Palad. Okay, napasilip si Vince Redondo pero hindi eh. Parang mas impactful yung sex scene dito eh. Ang iniisip ko dito, top 5 silip scene. Sino ba yung focal point dito? Yung naninilip? Okay? Kasi isa tahong, si Salome Salvi, di ba? O yung pinagsisilipan. I think dapat isa yun sa... Based on this list, yung pinagsisilipan siguro. Kasi, yun. Ang masasabi ko na hinawakan mo yung sarili mo, isa sa top 1 eh. Okay? So, I think this is more on yung sino yung sinisilipan. Okay. Top 5 group scenes, second to the last. One is X. Yan Dorano, Audrey Avila, Ethan Rosales. I literally forgot about X. I literally forgot about X. X is like the 3 roles ni Yen. Kaya siguro nakalimutan ko kasi it's like 3 movies packed into 1. So, yun. Kiskisan, yeah, one of my favorite group scenes. It's actually a candidate for best, best scenes. It's Sky Gonzaga, Juan Paulo Calma, Rob Ginto, Apple D. Not much to say. It's a foursome. And nagulat ako wala yung foursome dito sa group scenes. It's literally their thing, di ba? Foursome. So, ewan ko ba't na-omit. Pilya, Jessa Garcia, Cesar Garcia, Danny Yoshida, dalawang lalaki. Di ko na alam ano nangyari kay Danny Yoshida. Di na siya nagpakita sa Viva Max, sa BMX. It's like a one-time deal. Pero okay naman si Danny Yoshida dito. She's more of a seductress yung role niya dito kasi tuwing magtatalik siya sa lalaki, titingin siya kay Cesar Garcia na pasexual. Trouble, Sara Bernales, Audrey Avila, Aaron Carmelo. Alam ko si Aaron yung namatay dito eh. So, this is one of the beginner parts of the movie. Kasi yung, nung namatay si Aaron or kung sino may katrapol nila, nag-away to si Audrey sa si Sahara. Okay? Parang nagkaroon siya kapalit. And, yun. Ako si Aaron, nakalimutan ko na eh. Si Aaron ba yung original o iba pa? Alam ko babae yata yung pumalit eh. O babae yung original. Sige. Rita, Christine Vermas, Josh Ivan Morales, Victor Relosa. Very unique siya kasi imbes na si Rita yung italic ni Victor, it's more on Josh Ivan Morales. This is one of the rare scenes na nakita tayo ng boy on boy section on a threesome. So, yun. Si Josh Ivan Morales kasi dito yung kontrabida, siya yung medyo dominant, medyo blackmailish. Tapos tropa niya si Victor. Tapos nagtalik sila, mas nagtalik rin siya kay Berma habang nasa Saudi si Victor. Si Victor naging bakla ata kasi sa amo niyang Arab na namatay. So nung napauwi siya, yun na, kanda leche-leche. So yun. Last but not least, girl on girl. So girl on girl scenes, Halinghing, Aiko and Jen Rosa. This is yung photographer si Aiko, investigative reporter din. Iniisip bakit namatay si Joseph Elizalde na nobyo ni Jen Rosa pero na-fall sila sa isa't isa. Bed Spacer, one of the earlier movies of 2024. Maganda rin to, okay? Package Deal, Hart and Marian Saint. This is In the Shower. Kabitan, Athena Red and Alessandra Cruz. This, naboringan ako sa Kabitan eh. Okay? I wanna put yung sex scene ni Sky sa ni Apple dito. Both from Kiskisan and on that other movie. Ay di, Sky and Marian pwede rin. Lagay ko dito. And Sky and Apple. Sky and Marian dapat nandito rin. And one of the forceful things dito nilagay nila unang tikim, Angelica Rob Ginto, which doesn't even last 5 minutes. So, di ko alam ba, siguro lang para lang malagay unang tikim dito, but sure. And then, everything concludes with a sex scene kina Apple D saka kay Rob Ginto. Hot siya, may saxophone music, tapos nag-shift yung tone. It gives a Viva Hot Babes Gone Wild vibes sa cinematography niya, as nagguntingan rin sila. I would give it solong, yun lang yung nag-iisang sex scene dito. sa dulo pa. So you have, if you want to skip para so if you want to turn on, sige, and you want to watch climax, and you want to get turned on, but not want to watch recycled VMX clips, edi go to the end. Yeah, Apple and Rob, they have done Alena the Plug. So what would I say? Nasa uring ganap. Okay, end the video.